$2 Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because, yes, once again, they paid me. This is $107.54 worth of stuff. When it was all said and done, they paid me a moneymaker, an overage of $14.78. And yes, that total does include tax. We gotta include the tax on our coupon boasts. And also, as I said, I have no coupon fairing. I'm not paying for any inserts. I'm hunting and gathering all these inserts myself. This is for the week of May 6th through May 12th. I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can do these deals right away and not miss any of these deals. So let's get right into what we got. We got a lot of stuff here. Start with some easy stuff here. We got Green Giant. These were BOGO for $1.99. There's $1 off and $1 off printable, making them a 1-cent money maker. Go to these. Also $4.89 BOGO with $2 off manufactured printable, and use 2 of them. Get these both for 89 cents. These were a 1-cent money maker. All the links to print the coupon are below the video. What insert I got stuff from, the breakdown, very detailed below the video. You can print this stuff off and you can do it yourself. This deal was $4.49 regular price, and it's $2 off store coupon and $2 off Publix digital coupon, making it 49 cents. This is your Publix digital coupon as well. These were absolutely free. I think they were on sale for $1, so it took $1 off. It was free. These were on sale for $1.69 from $2.29. So with tax, came to a little bit more. I think they used $1.50 off from the Unilever. The Unilever May. $1.50 off each one. They were maybe $3.58 for both. $1.50 off for 2 or 3. That'd be 58 cents for both. Now, let's get to these. These things were. This was a good one here. These were on clearance. Always check the clearance rack. I mean, I always say that. So these were on clearance, and they were also on sale for buy 3 get $5 off. I always, when I find something on clearance, I usually go to maybe the self-scanner and see if it's actually ringing up on clearance. This happened to not ring up on clearance. Of course, I don't say nothing because I know Publix promise will be granted. It's even going to go even better now. And I'd like to pat myself on the back for my skills here. I put some other items on the conveyor belt first, and I'm checking how the cashier is ringing up. And I purposely put these on there like this backwards so that she could not see the $3.50 clearance price. I put all 3 in a row like this, and as instructed, as she went beep, 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 and I'm like, oh yeah. So it took 5 off. Publix promise, she refunded me $19 for these. And basically I paid $1 for them. Moneymaker $4 total on those. I broke everything down below so you can see. Once again, these were on ibotta now, so I had a couple more of those laying around for the free loaves. I know this deal's a dead deal. Subscribe to my channel so you can print it right away next time, and you can be doing it. So this was, well, as I said, always depends on the cashier too. I had to ring up some of these. I had some Smart Source coupons in there, manufacturing. I just saw how she's just rolling things through. Beep, beep, beep. Then I throw her these in the mix, and beep, beep, and it's 7 off, 7 off. She didn't catch that it's supposed to be $4.99 off. Also had the $1.50 ibotta on each one. So you're looking at a moneymaker of $6 on that. These were $1.79 each. Regular price. Got a bunch of them. There's $2 off a 3 store coupon, $3 off a 2 store coupon, and they're also on ibotta for 50 cents off. Boom, got this too, $1.25, $2.99 ibotta off. Moneymaker there. More moneymaker, more moneymaker, more moneymaker. These, once again, clearance. They were about $2 each. There was $2 off ibotta for a limit of 5. And $1.50 off Publix digital coupon, moneymaker $1.50 there. This guy right here, these were free, had the free coupon. These were on sale for $4.99 off, had the $4 off manufacturers on those. Everything built up to this, got another $5.05 off. Once again, paid to shop. Subscribe right there. More cool stuff right now, right there.